Going to Stacy's first?
Yes. Stacy's, bro, you know how to get there? I'll follow him. All right, you lead.
Sorry about your flash real quick. I'm just trying not to spin on my own grass.
Oh.
Like this music video. Oh, hell yeah. He's winning one. How you doing?
Basically, yeah, you don't have to like, but it's recommended that you do.
It's gonna get stuck in my fingers.
No, it won't. Trust. Oh, okay.
Yes. The first one that had a pin.
One pin.
Oh, Brody had one.
One pin.
Did you?
Yeah, Brody got one pin. Yes.
Oh, I don't know why, but I'm in love with Rolls Royces.
It's so nice. We're good. Oh my god. Nice. Yo, we should...
I'm gonna do this for Nick. Okay, nobody in the right mind is gonna buy a tax route and beat the shit out of it off road.
Right? Bet.
Go, please, go buy a brand new Acura RDX and take it to Moab.
Oh, I will.
Like that Viper though?
Hey, one pin.
That one?
That Gen 1 Viper?
I think there's two of them. Oh no, there's no way in hell that Z4 would be able to keep up with it.
No way. No way.
Oh, that poor Beetle.
Gen 1 Viper is so clean.
That one isn't.
Not anymore.
He changed the background of the TV and spit his drink all over me.
I can't catch you.
Buddy gets the strike. Put her there. That's hype. All right, NB Garage, your turn. Do it for Shakira. Why are we getting good all of a sudden? Tied.
So me and Nick tied for that one, but that was just a warm-up, so now we get to the real game.
So NB Garage is at 18. I'm at 30 points. Stacy's at 10. Kirby's at 16, and 6-speed Fletch himself is at 3. Let's see how he does. Real quick. Get a strike. Tough luck.
So Nick won. I'm gonna turn off the lights. I'll scare them.
Hi. Oh shit. Alright.
We going to Don's?
We're at McDonald's now.
That's Jordan.
Is it? Nick!
Sorry.
You're right, it's not your death, right?
Did I blow it?
No!
Look at my fingers.
You're the first person in this truck to... You're the the first person other than me to rip this truck. Here, pull ahead. I'll sit off the tailgate. Let's go slow. Never been back here before like this. This is actually a lot of fun. Oh yeah. A little bit, yeah. Look, it goes pretty far. It goes up until here? No, a little bit. Like there, yeah. Oh. It's pretty good. Aaron, where are you? Aaron, if you're close, give me a yeah.
They gotta be over
Oh yeah.
or they're behind all the. I thought it was him for a second. What in the hell?
Oh yeah.
Bad.
They're not.
Fucking swear to Jesus. Did you not hear? Did you hear me over there?
Watch you guys walk by it multiple times.
I thought you, because I heard something move behind this mattress. So I was like, are they?
No.
Oh.
No, we've been here the entire time.
Oh, because I chucked the mattress against the wall.
Because once we came down here, we're like, we gotta hide. So.
Yeah, we knew something was off. We're like, where are they? I'm just leaving Nick's. You know, fun night. Really random. You know, we went bowling at the last second, but it's a lot of fun. I know this is a really random vlog, but as well, the truck is doing well after its hopeful last trip in the shop. The coolant issue's fixed. So now I'm just gonna get home, but that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.